Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Streax Professional Vitariche Gloss Hair Serum. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. Firstly, about the pricing of this product, these basically come in three different sizes: 45 ml, 100 ml and 200 ml. 45 ml retails for 110 rupees, which is actually this size. Then there is 100 ml which retails for around 230 rupees, and then there is 200 ml which retails for 375 rupees. If you are using the serum for the first time, I would highly recommend you to go for this size, which is the 45 ml, and see whether it suits your hair or not, and then you can go for the big size one. Next, talking about the packaging of this product, this basically comes in this green and teal blue sort of a packaging with a pump dispenser, and this is what the pump dispenser looks like, which actually makes it very easy to take the product out of the box to basically dispense of the product. It is a pretty sturdy packaging, which is why it makes it very travel friendly as well. I have traveled with it. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा लीक होता है, पर इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि पूरा स्पिल हो जाए. नो, दैट्स नॉट द केस एट ऑल. सिंस इट्स अ लिटिल ऑयली एंड अ लिटिल ग्लॉसी, तो इस वजह से थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ऐसा लगता है कि स्पिल हुआ है, बट अदरवाइज इट्स अ वेरी स्टर्डी पैकेजिंग एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली ट्रैवल विथ इट. Talking about the product description of this product, it says Streax Professional Vitariche Gloss Hair Serum with vitamin-rich macadamia oil and vitamin E helps to nourish hair and tame frizz, while its unique shine enhancers help to give hair gorgeous, shiny and glossy finish. Moisturizes, smoothens and detangles dry, unruly hair. Protects hair from damage caused by UV rays. Makes hair styling with blow dryers and flat irons easier. Great for straightened, permed and color treated hair, and that's what the product description of this product reads. Now coming on to my review of this product, like the product description reads, it happens to have macadamia oil, vitamin E and shine enhancers, and all of these three ingredients actually help in nourishing and making the hair very shiny and smooth and moisturized and detangled and all of that thing. But the best part is that even if it tames down the frizziness of the hair, it does not, you know, weigh them down. It basically retains the bounciness of the hair while taming down the frizz of the hair, which is the best thing about the serum. I have been using the serum since past 6 to 7 months, and ये अभी तक ये 45 ml by the way अभी तक चल रहा है मेरा 6-7 months से अभी तक. This 145 ml bottle is actually, so that means that not a lot of product is actually required to be used on the hair. But yeah, I've been using it since past 6-7 months, and I absolutely love the way it tames down the frizziness of my hair. My hair is not very frizzy, but when I happen to use, you know, organic shampoos and stuff, I need to use this because that makes my hair frizzy, and this serum actually tames down the frizziness of the hair. Just a small amount is actually great for doing the job of taming down the frizz of the hair, but it not only tames down the frizz of the hair, it also detangles the hair, which leads to very less breakage of the hair. तो मतलब all in all, not hair fall, I'm not saying it reduces the hair fall, but it actually decreases the breakage. जो बीच में से जो knot पड़ के और फिर जो breakage होता है, that actually is not there in my hair anymore, because this serum actually keeps my hair detangled for a really long time. I mean, मेरा since the day I wash, I use it on that day, and from then till the next wash, which is almost 2 to 3 days gap. 3 days is the maximum that I go after each wash, so it keeps my hair detangled till that time. Apart from all of this, that it tames down the frizziness, it makes my hair look shiny, bouncy and all of that. Apart from that, the bestest thing that I feel about this serum is its fragrance. It happens to have such a beautiful fragrance that, oh my god, it really, and the fragrance is not that मतलब जब लगाया तब है और उसके बाद चली गई. No, that will actually linger for good 1 to 2 days on your hair. It is going to linger very nicely. It's a very nice, how do I explain the fragrance? It happens to have a very nice oody sort of a fragrance to it, which, oh my god, I absolutely love the fragrance of it. When you, if you ever go to a nearby store and if you find this, just try and smell it. It's not very, I mean, at least for me, I don't feel the fragrance to be very harsh at all. I love the fragrance of it. I find the fragrance of it very subtle, and by the way, I don't don't happen to have a very big tolerance power for fragrances. So if I don't have a problem with the fragrance, I'm sure you will not have a problem with the fragrance of it at all, because that's how amazing the fragrance of this is. It's beautiful, the product is beautiful, the fragrance is beautiful, it does the job of taming down the frizziness of the hair, it maintains the bounciness of the hair, it does not basically weigh down your hair, it detangles your hair, it keeps the fragrance in the hair for a good 1 to 2 days after you've applied it. So it's all good things basically. There is not even a single thing. It is slightly greasy, so you know that is why just a small amount is going to be more than enough. You don't have to go for more than 2 pumps depending upon the length of your hair. If you happen to have very long hair, you might want to go for 3 pumps. For my length, which actually comes down till here, I don't have to go for more than 2 pumps. 2 pumps are like more than enough. एक pump इस side के लिए, एक pump उस side के लिए, and I'm all basically good to go. And you need to know about the fact that since it's a hair serum, it's not to be applied on the scalp, because hair serums are not applied on the scalp. They're hair serum. For a reason, they're supposed to be applied on the hair strands and not on the scalp. If you're applying it on the scalp, the entire purpose basically gets nullified. So this is truly an amazing product. It's not just budget friendly, but it actually does the job of taming down the frizziness also. I really don't know whether what is it going to be for extremely dry hair, but for my semi-dry, not so dry, semi-dry hair, it did the job really nicely. It's a truly amazing product. This one small bottle lasted me for 6-7 months, so which is yet another thing that is very impressive about this, because क्योंकि छोटा सा amount use करना है, it's lasting for a long time, which means that that is yet another factor that makes it budget friendly as well. So yeah, that is how I would like to sum up this video and this review. Basically, I absolutely love this product. I'm going to recommend you to try this product at least once, because I'm sure that you're going to love it, because this product is basically all good things for the frizz of your hair. So that's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.